While working for the City of Lubbock Solid Waste Department, one day at City Hall, the deputy city attorney pulled me aside and said I should explore municipal law, not just environmental law. That if I do so, I'll never be bored and I'll get to wear a white hat most of the time. And so I went ahead and clerked for the city attorney's office, interned for the city manager's office, and I was just hooked. Municipal law is really not a defined area of the law. It's more of an umbrella term. It's every kind of law, state or federal, that either regulates what cities can do or empowers them to provide services.
You're gonna have an opportunity to do anything. If you think about it, if you're interested in environmental law, we got work for you. Litigation, people are always suing cities. If you're interested in criminal law, we got work for you. If you're interested in land use and ordinances and zoning and that kind of stuff, we got a lot of work for you.
What I enjoy most about municipal law is that you think you're going to have a boring day at the office, you think you know what your to-do list is going to look like, and there's a crisis. Because when you represent fire departments, police departments, emergency services, parks and recreation, and when you represent politicians, locally elected officials, they always keep things jumping and their priorities become your priorities, and so you're just never bored.
Between college and law school, I was actually a Peace Corps volunteer, and so I kind of have that altruistic nature and how I was raised. And when I first got into municipal law, I didn't realize how fulfilling it could be. You're literally helping cities ensure that they're providing the services that residents need, and you're impacting people at the most local level.
It's such a great opportunity to affect change and really be a part of your community.
Every day I get a chance to have an immediate impact on the communities that I represent, and that impact can last for decades.
If you're a law student who's looking for somewhere where you can work in the public interest and still sort of find a good balance between that and sort of reasonable work-life balance and fair compensation, I think municipal law is a field that can offer those things.
How we go about completing that work, I think, is what makes this firm very dynamic. It's very collaborative. And I think having that level of support allows you to be the best lawyer you can every day.
I've stayed in municipal law because it's provided for a great quality of life for myself and my family.
There was a time early on where I thought maybe I was gonna have to step back if I wanted to have a family. And the flexibility and just the support and the team that Alan has assembled here allowed me to stay.
If you are thinking about working in public sector, but you're hesitant about working directly for a state or local agency, there are other options, including working at a private law firm that provides services under municipal law.
It is a rewarding career financially and professionally, and with 1,200 cities in Texas, there are lots of opportunities in that market. And so if you would like to find out more about municipal law, maybe a clerkship or a position with the City Hall, I hope you will contact my law firm. Our website, texasmunicipallawyers.com. Another job resource, which is the Texas Municipal League, and TML tends to have a job board itself that you can check out year-round.